What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the toolkit. So this one have the Phillips 1.5 mm 1.8 T5 to T6 T6 to T7 screw driver. I mean totally they are like how many 6 to total 12. So it's very easy to use, and this is my review. Just put like this, can you see? Okay, and then just screw it, whatever you wanna do. Now take out, just do like this, and it's ready out, in, out, in, out, in, out. It's that simple. I hope you get the point. So I'm really very much liking. I mean, I don't like a small bit. I like this one easily. I mean, yeah. So it was me, Jimmy Agik. So should you buy the Aislin Multifunctional Screwdriver kit? I can say definitely yes. To me it seems quite good, but I don't know about you. Again, to me it seems quite good. Subscribe and bye.